Welcome back. In the last video, we went ahead and created a new template for our project website. And this template, instead of having just a static banner image, it had the rotating banner on it. The next thing we want to do after we've successfully created a new template is to go ahead and apply this template to any pages that we want to have that sliding banner image on it. So I'm going to go ahead here and close out of my template, and I want to apply that to my home page. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my index page. Now, originally when we created the index page, we applied a template to it. This just has the standard static main template applied to it. So what we want to do is we want to apply a different template to this page. So in order to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the Modify menu, select Templates again, and select Apply Template to Page. You'll see all the templates that you have access to in your site listed here. And here's the template that we just created, the shear slider template. I'm going to click on that to highlight it, and then click the Select button. And you should see that the new template has been applied to your page. And again, since this is a slider image, you're not actually going to see the image in this area like you would with a static image. But all I have to do to see that it's working is to save this by going to File, Save, or doing Control S. And then I'm going to go ahead and preview it in my browser. And again, my computer is acting really slow here, but you'll see eventually that home page comes up. And there's the slider image that's been applied to our home page. But if we were to go to other pages in the site, you're going to see they still just have the plain static template applied to them. So you simply go and apply the new template to whatever pages you want to have the new content on them. If I come back here to home, you'll see there is my sliding banner on this page. Now, reapplying a template in this way is going to work probably 99 times out of 100 for you. You shouldn't have any problem at all. But occasionally, when you try and reapply a template to a page when you try and apply a new template to a page that already has a template applied to it, you'll come up with some trouble. And you can tell something's trouble just by looking at it. The design will be broken in some way. So if you have trouble applying a new template to a page, this is what you need to do to correct the problem. You're going to go to the Modify menu, and you're going to select Templates. And you're going to see an option here that says Detach from Template. And what that's going to do is it's going to detach this site page from the template that we used to create it. After you do that, you're going to come here into Code View. And once you're in Code View, you're going to go to Edit and click Select All, and then press Delete. And that will delete all the code from this page. And don't worry about it because we're going to reapply the template. So now I'm going to go ahead and save it. And I'm going to go back into Design View just so we can see this a little bit easier. And then I'll go to Modify, Template, Apply Template to Page. And there's the slider template. I just simply select that, and you'll see the new template has been applied to this page. And again, applying a new template to a page that already has a template on it should work 99 times out of 100. You only need to go to the Modify menu and detach the template from the page if for some reason something isn't working correct. So that should work. But if it doesn't work, you know how to get around that. You basically just need to detach the template and then delete all the code from the page, and then you should be able to successfully reapply the template. And let's go ahead just really quickly and open this up in Chrome, and you should see, again, my computer's being a little bit slow here, but you should see the banner image come up with the slider content. So that's all there is to applying your new slider template to some existing pages that are in your website. And the next thing that we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to do the rollover effect that's on these images. And you can see right now I don't have any rollover here. But if I go to my source project or my completed project, you can see the rollover effect that's right here. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do in the next video. I'll see you then.